Assalamu alaikum. In the last video, we insert data to our database using store method. In this video, we will going to update data using this update method. Let's start. In the same way, we will use try catch block. Let's get catch block from update method. It's quite similar. Now let's get validation from store method. All the fields same, just we will remove this user field from this array. We will use id to update data. This is our column, all the fields here: name, address, phone and role. Now let's get id. Request input id. Now let's find the target data. Take variable student update. Student model, find or fail. Let's pass the id. Now let's use update method, Laravel built-in method. Update. Here pass our data, validation data, all the data as we use in insert data in store method. Okay, let's return our data. It's quite similar. Change the variable. Okay, we almost done. This is our API endpoint. Let's go to Postman. Update. And let's change user field as id. This will be data id. This row id, we are going to update this row. Fill up this form that we can understand that data has been updated. Let's try. Okay, successfully our data updated. Let's check in database. See our data updated. Let's try id4 data. Okay, this is working. So we successfully update our data. In the next video we will learn how to delete data. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and then like and